5 ways that you can accelerate your eBay store or generate more sales for more positive feedback so you can generate sales over a long period of time. Number one is business policies. This is very important. Very important. You have to opt into business policies. I'm going to show you my one business policy that I currently have for majority of my listings. You can literally edit the services. You can edit the shipping policies for domestic and international services and handling time, and then you can just opt in or opt out. But I'm not sure, but I think you have to have Seller Hub in order to have access to business policies. In order to have access to Seller Hub, you need to at least have one sale on your eBay account. If you don't have one sale, then you do not have access to Seller Hub. I'm not sure if you still cannot have business policies without Seller Hub, but I'm pretty sure you can. Seller Hub is very important. Seller Hub is where I'm just going to show you. It's where you can see pretty much anything you can go on, and you can't access this with a regular eBay account. You have to actually be a seller. You have to actually opt in Seller Hub, which is very important because it gives you all these options to accelerate your business on eBay. Number two is pre-generated descriptions. I'll show you how that works. You don't have to have Seller Hub. You just have to have the advanced listing tool. I'm pretty sure you can change that in the settings right here. No, you can't. But bullshit, tell you, if you don't have all this stuff, you have to have the advanced listing tool. This doesn't sound complicated, but the advanced listing tool is literally just a couple of more buttons for sellers that know the system a little bit better, so they may have their own systems to make their business run faster. If you don't have this advanced listing tool, you're just using the normal eBay listing tool, which doesn't have all the fast processes. It just has the things that you require to list without having the systems that make it faster. Now, descriptions, automated descriptions, you literally can just do this and just use the same description every single time, every single game. Every single item is very important to accelerate your business. You can create template, and you can just write your own description, copy paste. You can also copy paste HTML, so that you don't remove any of the formatting that you have with your text. And automated inventory management, what is that? This is where you directly tie in your item number and your item specific information in your inventory. This is your item number or your stock keeping unit number, depending on which one you use to tie your inventory together. This is very important if you want to have cross-listed sales generation and inventory management. You have to have the same identification for multiple platforms. I just use eBay item numbers. You can have your own personal opinion. You can use stock keeping unit numbers with the same listings on multiple platforms, and you can also use a cross lister. Now, this is my item numbers for eBay, and I just use the item numbers as stock keeping unit numbers on Amazon or Poshmark or Depop or Facebook Marketplace if I intend to sell on those platforms. And if you have a cross lister to sell on those platforms, I use a platform called LitCommerce. I'm not sure what you use. You can tell me what you have below. But this is my inventory. Whenever an item sells, it automatically notifies the item in the inventory that, and it turns red. I made a code for that. I made a code so that this can turn red when it sells with backend access to eBay. I'm not telling you how you do that because that's really just giving out my whole entire system away, which I built with multiple months. But it's eBay API. I don't know what that means. I'm gonna search that right now. Application programming interface is correlated with Python. You can use ChatGPT and give ChatGPT the client ID, the client secret, access token, and refresh token, and RU name to automatically program you an interface or code to automate your business. I've done this multiple times through multiple platforms, like with Amazon and eBay. I've used their APIs, and I've also used Facebook Marketplace API to automate generation. But the last thing you need to do to accelerate your business is stock keeping unit number organization systems. Now, these are item numbers I just showed you. What do you see? Bag 1, bag 2. This is really what some of these items, where they're located, if they're not on the shelf. Like, I sell mostly games, video games. They're mostly on the shelf. But these are not on the shelf. These are in bags. Bag 1, bag 2, bag 3, bag 4, bag 5. And whenever item sells, oh, I grabbed bag 5. It automatically notified me. Which is really nice. If I have any more suggestions for this video on how you can make the flipping journey easier and faster and more profitable, let me know, because I'm always ready for more suggestions and more feedback on what I do for my business. That's all I'm going to say today. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoy a wonderful day. Peace out.